Algorand cost pretty equivalent to $0.1160 a coin, which in a real sense is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1136 0.1168, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The earlier day close, 0.1147, which truly is genuinely huge. The change truly was plus 0.0013, plus 1.13%, which truly is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Algo, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.11, lovely greatest 0.12, certainly least 0.10 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.11, lovely greatest 0.12, genuinely least 0.10, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.11, especially greatest 0.12, for the most part least 0.10 amazingly. Algorand gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, genuinely least 0.10, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.10, essentially greatest 0.11, most certainly least 0.09, or so they certainly thought. Algorand value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which basically is genuinely huge. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, July 31, cost $0.10, especially greatest 0.11, extremely least 0.09, most certainly further appearance how the earlier day close, 0.1147, which by and large is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.10, most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.10, beautiful most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09 in a sort of significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.09, most certainly greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, especially least 0.09, which generally is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.10, certainly most extreme 0.11, certainly least 0.09 in a by and large enormous manner. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.10, especially most extreme 0.11, beautiful least 0.09, which really is genuinely critical. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.10, kind of greatest 0.11, genuinely least 0.09 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.10, certainly greatest 0.11, by and large least 0.09 in a very significant manner. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.10, kind of most extreme 0.11, by and large least 0.09, fundamentally further appearance. How Algorand value equivalent to $0.1160 a coin in a significant manner. In 3 weeks Algorand estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $0.10, beautiful greatest 0.11, kind of least 0.09, which really is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.09, most certainly greatest 0.10, sort of least 0.08, or so they sort of thought. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.09, for the most part greatest 0.10, sort of least 0.08. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.09, kind of most extreme 0.10, least 0.08 in an unpretentious way. Algorand conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $0.09, for the most part greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08, which sort of is genuinely critical. In about a month, Algorand cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.09, by and large most extreme 0.10, especially least 0.08, or so they sort of thought. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.09, genuinely most extreme 0.10, all things considered, least 0.08 in a huge way. United States dollars to Algo today. United States dollars to Algo conversion scale essentially equivalent to 8.6207 coins per $1, showing that Algorand value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027 in a by and large enormous manner. Today's reach, 8.5616, 8.8028, which for the most part is very huge. The past day's nearby, 8.7184, which truly is very huge. Change for now 0.0977, 1.12% in a kind of significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Monday, July 24, cost 9.091 coins, truly most extreme 10.000, sort of least 8.333, which really is very critical. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 9.091 coins, sort of greatest 10.000, truly least 8.333, so the past day's nearby, 8.7184 in a by and large significant way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, July 26, cost 9.091 coins, sort of greatest 10.000, truly least 8.333. Exhibiting that the earlier day close, 0.1147 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Algo expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 9.091 coins, most extreme 10.000, really least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday, July 28, cost 10.000 coins, exceptionally most extreme 11.111, certainly least 9.091. In multi-week United States dollars to Algo expectation on Monday, July 31, cost 10.000 coins, especially most extreme 11.111, sort of least 9.091, which sort of is very huge. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Tuesday, August 1, cost 10.000 coins, genuinely greatest 11.111, genuinely least 9.091. So Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.10, sort of most extreme 0.11, lovely least 0.09 amazingly. United States dollars to Algo forecast on Wednesday, August 2, cost 10.000 coins, certainly greatest 11.111, certainly least 9.0